Dear parents and our sweet lovely children, welcome to our today's class. In our today's class, let us begin the practice of numbers. Children, tell us, why should we use numbers? To know the quantity of any objects, they must be counted. So, then we use the numerals there. 1 ball, 2 cats, 3 dogs, 4 pens, 5 spoons. In this way, we can know the quantity of any object or animal with the help of these figures. Children, let's learn how to write English numerals now. Here we will use the square line book to write the numbers. It will be easy to write the numbers in figures in square line book. Children, you have already learned the practice of standing lines, slipping lines, curved lines, slanting lines in our previous classes. With the help of these, we can easily learn to write numbers. So come on kids, let's start today's class. See here, it is the square line book. In the first square, 2 dots should be arranged. This is standing line. It should be said to be 1. The rest of squares should be written this way. 1 1 1 1. When writing here, you have to leave one square empty between each of the squares because it is easier way for a child to write it well. Dear parents, you must write to your child as we have shown here. You must complete this page by saying like this. Let us now learn to write 2. Here also first put the dots. Then make a half circle. Then slipping line should be done underneath it. Children, now you should say this to 2. 2 2 2. Complete this page by saying this. The next number is 3. You should put 3 dots to write this. Here we have to do 2 half circles. See here, this is to say 3. 3 3 3 3. This is the way complete this page by saying like this. Next number is 4. There should be put dots in this way to write it. First make one standing line, then do one slipping line here, then do another standing line in the middle. This should be now be 4. 4 4 4 4. This is the way complete this page by saying this. Next number is 5. Here also you should put the dots in this way to write it. First do one slipping line and then make one standing line and then after make a half circle or curved line here. Now this should be 5. 5 5 5 5. You should complete the page by say and write like this. Dear children, in our today's class, we learned 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You should practice it well. Thank you.